Welcome to the Technology Tutorials for King William County Public Schools. In this tutorial, we'll be going over the basics of Schoology so you know how to navigate to get all of the information for your courses. What we will be going over is how to log in, where your courses are located, and how to navigate around a course site. Let's take a look at how you can log into your Schoology courses. You can go directly to kwcps.schoology.com. You can also log in by going to our main King William County Public Schools website. You'll want to go to your home school under Schools. When you get to the school website, you'll go to Quick Links and Student Links. For the high school, it's Students, Forms, and Links. Under these links, you will click on Schoology. When you see this sign-in page, please put in your King William County Public Schools email. On the welcome page, please put in your password that you set up. Your Schoology page will open up to your dashboard. So there are two tabs within your King William County Public Schools dashboard. Your recent activity will host announcements from your school or other groups, or even your teachers. Your course dashboard will house the courses that you are enrolled in. So there are two places to get to your courses. Through this main King William connection, through the course dashboard, or you can go directly to courses on the top menu. Not all of your courses will fit in this one view. To see all of your courses, click on My Courses in the top right-hand corner of your window. Then you will see a list of all of the courses that you are enrolled in. Let's take a look at one of these courses. We're going to click on the link with the little notebook next to it. This is how all of your Schoology pages will be laid out. On the left-hand side, you have a set of menus from materials, updates, grades. Don't worry about attendance. That is dependent on the school and may not be taken necessarily in Schoology. You can see the members, the other students, and the teacher of your course. And you might see some other links here as well based on your course. Let's go back to materials. On this main page, at the top you'll see the title of your course, the school division, and then the main center part of this will be all of the information that your teacher has put into the course. So this is where your assignments will be. On the far right hand side, you have upcoming assignments. When you have an assignment that is given by your teacher, you'll have a date that shows up in this column. Here you can see there's a discussion that is due. When I click on the discussion, I can write in my comments and turn that in. To navigate back to the main page, you notice that there is what's called breadcrumbs at the top of each of the pages. If I wanted to go back to discussions, I could click this first link. That's where we're currently at though. So I want to go back to our main page and I'll click that first link. It takes me back to our main view. Let's look at this middle section. At the very top, you have all materials. You can search in a course for certain types of materials. If I want to look for all assignments, this will sort by assignments. If I want to look for links, you can see how it will sort back to what you're looking for in particular. So let's look at all of the materials. Inside a course, you will likely find some information from your teachers, and then you'll find folders. You can click on the individual folder to open it up, or a quicker view is to click on this arrow, which will expand the contents of the folder, and you can click on each of the individual assignments. If you have a series of assignments that you need to complete within a folder, click on the title of the folder. You can complete the first assignment. You can look at this overall view of everything in the folder. If you want to go to the next assignment to complete, you'd simply click on Next. In this case, it's a discussion, and I can't click on Next because I must complete this assignment first. Once I have written a statement in the discussion, I can post my discussion answer, and then you'll notice that my Next button has become active, and I can click to the next assignment. Going back to our main page, you'll notice that anywhere that is in blue will underline as you hover over it, and those are clickable links within any assignment in Schoology. If we look at our teacher resources, you can see that anything that lights up will connect you to another page, another assignment, something else. Each individual course is designed by an individual teacher, so they will all be unique. However, those are the basic tools and features that you'll be seeing within Schoology. The other thing to be aware of is the menu at the top of your screen on the blue bar. Again, your courses are located under Courses. If you don't see all of them, also click on My Courses link in the top right. If you belong to any groups, such as clubs or the school group in this case, this is where you can go to find updates or announcements or things going on with the group that you belong to. And another important feature in Schoology is the calendar. It is after the magnifying glass, the App Center, and the calendar. This is where you will also see on a month, week, or day basis what is due for your classes. So if we go back to the month here, you can see that there is an assignment here, and you can click on assignments due through your calendar as well. You have notifications, messages that you've received, maybe from your teachers or from a group, and notifications as well. Thank you for joining us on this segment of Technology Tutorials for King William County Public Schools.